Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Honda Mighty 13 4x4 mini tractor is a groundbreaking addition to the compact agricultural machinery market, designed to meet the evolving needs of modern farmers. This mini tractor combines Honda's renowned engineering with innovative features, offering a versatile and efficient solution for small to medium-sized farming operations. At the heart of the Mighty 13 is a robust 13-horsepower engine, delivering ample power for various farming tasks. Its four-wheel drive, 4x4, system ensures exceptional traction and stability across diverse terrains, making it ideal for plowing, tilling, and transporting materials. The compact design allows for easy maneuverability in confined spaces, enhancing its suitability for tasks like landscaping and urban gardening. The tractor's user-friendly interface and ergonomic controls make operation straightforward, even for those new to farming equipment. Its fuel-efficient engine not only reduces operational costs but also minimizes environmental impact, aligning with sustainable farming practices. Additionally, the Mighty 13 is compatible with a wide range of attachments, increasing its versatility and value to farmers. Durability is a key feature of the Mighty 13, with high-quality materials and a sturdy build ensuring long-term reliability. Regular maintenance is simplified, reducing downtime and keeping the tractor in optimal working condition. This focus on durability and ease of maintenance underscores Honda's commitment to providing dependable equipment to the agricultural community. In summary, the 2025 Honda Mighty 13 4x4 mini tractor stands out as a compact, powerful, and versatile machine tailored to the needs of contemporary farmers. Its combination of performance, efficiency, and adaptability makes it a valuable asset for enhancing productivity in various farming applications. For a visual overview and more detailed insights into the Honda Mighty 13, you can watch the following video.